Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add page border in Word. The first thing to do is open the Word document. There you will go to the Design menu and click on Page Borders. In this window, the first thing you will do is choose the border. To do this, in Style, you can select the one you like. Every time you click on one, you can see its preview. After that, in Color, you can choose the desired color for your border. After this, in Width, you can select the width that the page border will have. Finally, from the Art option, Word offers you some designs with which you can customize your page border. After that, in Apply To, you can establish where this page border will be visible. It can be throughout the document, the first page, etc. Click OK to see your page border applied. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.